Hi guys, I just wanted to get on here and shoot a short little video. Just a reminder, today is May the 1st. You have till Friday. Today is Wednesday? It's Wednesday. Friday is the deadline to enter for my Mother's Day giveaway. I've already started collecting the names of the people who are subscribed, who have commented on my channel since, or any of my videos since I started this giveaway. So it's gonna, there's gonna be a lot more than what I thought there was gonna be, but I'm just gonna I'm gonna stick all your names in something and randomly draw out one of them. So good luck to you. Again, Friday is your deadline. I'm gonna get this little short video posted today, Wednesday. You have to comment, like, and be subscribed to my channel in order to participate in the giveaway. So good luck to you all. You know I love you so very much. Friday, mark it on your calendar. I'm not sure when. Maybe we'll do a video on a Saturday or Sunday of the winner, because I want to be able to get you something. I want to be able to get you something good. Get you something good. So make sure that you are doing what I tell you to do. You got to do what I tell you to do. Friday, the deadline. Mark it on your calendar. You know I love you guys so very much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.